I was trying to be strong enough, trying not to fall apart, smiling through the quiet battles, hiding what was in my heart. Every road I thought would save me only left me more afraid. Then I heard you in the silence, calling out my name. Lead me through the rain, hold me when I'm weak, be the voice that finds me when I cannot speak. You are my shelter, my hope through the pain. When the night surrounds me, lead me through the rain. Now I see the way you carry every burden I conceal. Even in the deepest valleys, you were teaching me to heal. I don't have to earn your mercy, I don't have to stand alone. Your love keeps reaching for me, your grace has brought me home. Lead me through the rain, hold me when I'm weak, be the voice that finds me when I cannot speak. You are my shelter, my hope through the pain. When the night surrounds me, lead me through the rain. And when my faith is barely breathing, when my strength begins to fade, remind me you have never left me, not for one single day. You are still the light before me, still the truth that will remain. And I will keep on walking if you lead me through the rain. Lead me through the rain, hold me when I'm weak, be the voice that finds me when I cannot speak. You are my refuge, forever I will say. You have always been beside me, every step along the way, every step along